Katie's weather. Let me tell you something. Coming, I think Friday, all weekend, we are getting severe weather here in Kentucky. You better run and get your milk and or bread and eggs or whatever you're going to do. For sure this time. I think all in all total, we're supposed to get up maybe from 10 to 14 inches. Get your propane, your generators, your shovels, your blankets, batteries, flashlights, everything that you will need. Candles, get your candles, girls, to make sure that you are safe and prepared. Because when that power goes off, and it will, trust me, because they're calling for ice on top of this, we're in trouble. So we're going to be stuck in for a while. I don't want to be stuck in with that. I don't know where he went to. I'm just going to walk across the road. He's pulling over here. Look here, coming. There's my honeymoon. Would you look right there? God almighty, I had to get in the truck. That wind will blow you away. Want it out.
It will, buddy.
It is strong and it gets blowing up in here. Kentucky, you better be prepared, honey. That's all Katie's telling you now. See down through there? Right there? You know what they're doing? Take a guess. Honey, they're getting up some propane in Kentucky. You hear me?
Oh. What?
Don't get smart with me. Don't get a little snippety. Would you believe he's found somebody to talk to right here getting propane every single time? I want you to look out there. Good. I won't talk to him no way. No, I don't. It's her. Honey, that wind down here right now is just treacherous. It's blowed me. I look horrible. My makeup looks so dark in this camera too. I don't care. Either you love me or you don't, honey. But I think y'all love Katie. Yep. I love you. No, I really do. I love all of you. Try to. I've seen some people don't care for her, though. That's just life, I guess. I need me a building. They've got the cutest little buildings down here. I'm going to buy me one and move Alfred out in one. And yeah, I'm going to move old Alfred out in a building. That's right. I can look out and check on him. That's right, honey. He's gone.